Come test drive the 2023 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.